Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. How do you celebrate your Environmental Day? Time for Nature is the theme of this year. How many of you contribute a plant to your garden? As we are studying about agriculture, let this day be the inspiration to all to spend their time for nature. Coming to our class, what's our chapter name? Yes, Reaping Gold from Soil. In the previous section, we have discussed what are the factors needed for good yield and also about seed quality. And I gave an activity to you. Write the modes of collecting and storing seeds of any varieties of plant. Did you write it? So today we will start our section based on it, modes of collection of seeds. First we are going to discuss about rice. The chaff is removed from grain and it is dried well. Then it is kept in moist-free wooden container or gunny bags. In the case of banana, the underground stem is immersed in cow dung water mixture and then kept to avoid wetness. Yam is also stored in this way. In Colocasia, the outgrowth are removed and the remaining part is kept safely. During planting season, it is cut into pieces and is planted. Can you identify these seeds? Yes, of course. First one is the seed of lady's finger and second one is the seeds of pea. How can you identify whether the seed is good or bad? While observing seeds, we can remove the seeds which are not good. Then the seeds can be planted directly. So seeds which we can examine and selected the good one and can be planted directly. Example, bitter gourd, lady's finger, pea and cucumber. What happens when the seeds are too small? We cannot check the quality of seeds as it is too small. So, sowing is done first. When the seeds are sprouted, the good plants are transplanted. Example, chilli, brinjal, rice, spinach. As these seeds are too small, it's difficult to collect good quality seeds. So sowing is done first. Now we are going to study the various methods how new saplings are produced. Reproduction in plants. First one is sexual reproduction and second one is vegetative propagation. In sexual reproduction, new saplings are produced from seeds. Example, pumpkin, tomato and rice. In vegetative propagation, saplings are produced from root, stem or leaf of the parent plant. From root, curry leaves. From stem, rose. From leaves, bryophyllum. From underground stem, ginger. Let us conclude today's class. Let me hope you all understand the ideas we have discussed. And let us revise what we have studied today. First, we have studied about modes of collection of seeds. Second, Types of reproduction in plants. There is an activity in your textbook, page number 9, example for vegetative propagation and sexual reproduction. Thank you.